Now, SSS similarity. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence triangles are similar. Means it is second condition of similarity of two triangles. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal, and by previous theorem, if corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Let it is two given triangle. In triangle ABC, and triangle DEF, the corresponding sides are proportional, means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. It is given. To prove corresponding angles are proportional, means angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, and angle C equal angle F. That is, triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. We have to prove this term. Construction similar to previous theorem. Take points P and Q on DE and DF such that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. Means we have to take 2 points P and Q on DE and DF such that the length of DE is equal to AB and the length of DQ is equal to AC. Now proof. Since AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, it is given. We can put DP in place of AB because DP and AB are equal. Then DP by DE is equal to AC is equal to DQ, then DQ by DF. DQ is equal to AC. Now since DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF, then by converse of Thales theorem we have PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF, and when PQ is parallel to EF, then their corresponding angles are equal. Means angle E is equal to angle P, angle F is equal to angle Q. Angle E is equal to angle P and angle F is equal to angle Q. Then in triangle DPQ and DEF, corresponding angles are equal. Means angle P equal angle E, angle Q equal angle F, and angle D is common. Means triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. In triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, we have angle P is equal to angle E, angle Q is equal to angle F. These are corresponding angles because PQ is parallel to EF. And angle D is common in both triangle, and we know that if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Means triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. And we also know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Means these triangles are similar, then their corresponding side is DP, DE, DP by DE is equal to PQ, EF, PQ by EF, and DQ and DF. These are corresponding sides, these are proportional. Now we can put value of dP by d. We can put dP equal AB we have AB by DE is equal to PQ by EF, but AB by DE is equal to BC by EF given. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, it is given. Then EF cancel out and we have BC equal PQ. BC equal PQ. Now in triangle ABC and DPQ, therefore in triangle ABC and DPQ, triangle ABC and DPQ, AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, and BC is equal to PQ. Means corresponding sides are equal, triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are equal, then by SSS congruency triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, and we have angle B equal angle P, also angle C equal angle Q, angle A equal angle D by congruency of two triangles. We know that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal. Triangle ABC and DPQ are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal. Now angle P is already equal to angle E. Or angle B is equal to angle E, because angle P is equal to angle E. Q is already equal to angle F, means angle C is equal to angle F, and angle A is equal to D. Then triangle ABC and DEF are equiangular. DEF are equiangular. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and it is proved.